नमस्कार. आयच्या डिबेटात तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार आनी विशय आसा तो रिजनल प्लॅनाचो. सरकारान आतां सजेशन्स आनी ऑब्जेक्शना खातीर म्हूण प्लॅन ओपन केला, पण ज्या टायमार तो प्लॅन ओपन केला त्या परिस्थिती भितर आनी इलेक्शन इतली लागीं आसतना सरकार खरेंच सारके निर्णय घेवपाक शकतलो काय कितें, आनीक जी सजेशन्स आनी ऑब्जेक्शन्स येतलीं ताचें कितें करतले, तांचो स्कोप कितें आसतलो, आनी फायनली जेन्ना इलेक्शन इयरा भितर असलो विशय सरकार दवरता रिजनल प्लॅना सारको, तेन्ना ताचें भवितव्य कितें हाचेर आमी भासाभास करता. 3 मानेस्त पयले आसात भाजपाचे फुडारी आनी आमदार सुभाषबाब फळदेसाय, स्वागत तुमचें. दुसरे आसात म्हणजे गोवा बचाव अभियानाच्यो निमंत्रक सबीना मार्टिन, आनी तिसरे आसात म्हणजे काँग्रेसीचे म्हणयारे सुनील कोटणकार. सुनील, आय विल स्टार्ट विथ यू. You read that notice in the newspaper. It says that 30 days for suggestions and objections. Reading that, you are happy or unhappy?
The point is that when that notification came, one is that the notification just says give suggestions. Normally when you are opening a regional plan, what is the scope of your suggestions? We have been saying that guidelines should be issued first.
Correct.
Because tomorrow I can say I want to build my house on the Mandovi bridge because I want a beautiful view. Will that suggestion be accepted? And why it will not be accepted? So you have to have your guidelines clear. 2, they have opened it in the month of December, and the government itself has said that Salset and Bardes and all are the ones which are problematic area, and this lot of people will be celebrating Christmas. Majority of it's a Christmas season which all communities celebrate.
Correct.
So from 15-16 it's already like people are involved. So a very this period of time that has been given so that there is no proper application of mine, and they have just okay, we are to say that we have done something about the regional plan. They have
Just a formality.
Just a formality.
There is no thought given to it.
Absolutely. Now this same government came to power last election criticizing the regional plan. They said this was wrong, that was wrong, that was wrong. Now what was wrong which they felt? Why haven't they set the process in motion when they came to power to correct whatever wrongs it is? And in this 30 days they expect to correct the wrongs which they opposed. So why was this 30 days not done earlier?
Sunil, तुम्ही तयार केल्लो रिजनल प्लॅन. वन थिंग, द बेस्ट थिंग probably of the last Congress regime was the exercise that your government conducted about regional plan. ड्राफ्ट रिजनल प्लॅनाच्या उपरांत जी नाटकं जाली आनी जी धुमशेण तुमगे कांय मंत्र्यांनी घालपाचें पयलें तें सगळें गोंयान पयलां. बट टील दॅट ड्राफ्ट रिजनल प्लॅन, द कायंड ऑफ डेटा यू कलेक्टेड एंड द कायंड ऑफ एक्सरसाइज यू कंडक्टेड वॉज कमेंडेबल. Now that is back into play and back into play in an election year. How is Congress looking at it?
See, as you have also said, तुम्ही म्हणला, सबीना मार्टिन तांच्यांनी म्हणला की रिजनल प्लॅनाचें आज जे कन्फ्युजन टोटली करून उडयला ताका आजचे सरकार मेन म्हणल्यार जबाबदार आसा. फाटले फावट जर आमी पळोवपाक वचत, जो रिजनल प्लॅन केल्लो 2021, तो रिजनल प्लॅन एक स्टेट लेवल कमिटी म्हणून आसली विच वॉज हेडेड बाय एडगर रिबेलो, who was the chief town Ribeiro, who was the chief town planner of government of India. आणि सबसिक्वेंटली जालें कितें की खुबशे लोकांचे ताका प्रोसिजर बरो भशेन फॉलो केल्लो. जशें तुवें सांगला, विलेज लेवल कमिटीक धाडलेली, मागीर ती सजेशन्स घेवन ताजी टावन एंड कंट्री प्लॅनिंगाक परत दिवपाची आसली. प्रोसिजर सगळो सारको केल्लो, पण चुको खुबश्यो जाल्यो, लोकांचो खुबशें ऑपोजिशन जालें ताका. एडगर रिबेरोनूय सबसिक्वेंटली आपलें रेजिग्नेशन दिलें स्टेट लेवल कमिटी वयलें.
Charles Correa the committee.
हय,
Edgar
he was yes, he was member. Charles Correa was leading the committee. आनी जालें ताजेर ऑब्जेक्शन जालें, ही रिजायन्ड फ्रॉम दॅट कमिटी. आनी राजकारणी जे असले, ऑपोजिशन बीजेपी जे असले, तांच्यांनी बरोच बोवाळ मारलो की काँग्रेस जी आसा ती गोंय विकूं मुटल्या. आनी हे सगळे परिस्थितीन आमी पळयलें की इलेक्शनाक गेले आमी, आनी इलेक्शन 2012 बीजेपीचो जर मॅनिफेस्टो काडून तुमी पळयत आनी वाचत, सुभाष बाबू हांगा आसा, ही कॅनॉट डिनाय द फॅक्ट की बीजेपीचे मॅनिफेस्टोन क्लियरली वन लायनर आसलो की वी वील स्क्रॅप रिजनल प्लॅन 2021. हें मत भाजपाचें आसलें. सबसिक्वेंटली जेन्ना सत्तेर भाजपा हे सगळे रिजनल प्लॅन आनी हे गजालींचे मुद्दे घेवन जेन्ना भाजपा सत्तेर आयली, मार्च 2012 जेन्ना राज्यपालाचें अभिभाशण जालें, शंकर नारायणन वॉज द गव्हर्नर ऑफ गोवा, पयली जी सेशन जालें विधानसभेचें 2012 मार्चान, तातूंत ताणें सांगलें की माय गव्हर्मेंट वील डिनोटिफाय रिजनल प्लॅन 2021 एंड फॉर्मुलेट अ न्यू वन विथ कन्सल्टेशन विथ द स्टेक होल्डर्स म्हणून. आतां आमी पयल्या ऑलमोस्ट 4 वर्सां जायत आयलीं, कसलोच प्रोसिजर करूंक ना. हें सरकार ते रिजनल प्लॅनाचेर न्हिदलें, कसल्योच गजाली इम्प्लिमेंट करनासतना. दुसरी एक गजाल जाली की तो फ्रोझन असो उरलो प्लेन, बाबा तो स्क्रॅपूय करता तुमी, डिनोटिफाय करना आनी तो नवो प्लॅनूय काडना. हे परिस्थितीन इको टुरिझम झोन आनी कितें म्हणून हे नांवाची नवी नवी स्कॅमां काडली. आतां गोल्फ कोर्स एक काडला, तिराकोल गोल्फ कोर्स, जो लोकांचो गांवचो विरोध आसतना सुद्दां तो लोकांच्या माथ्यार मारलो वता, एक एंटायर विलेज डिस्ट्रॉय केली वता. आनी बीजेपीन आमी आतां पळयलां ही एंटायर सर्कस करून आतां इलेक्शनाचे तोंडार सारकें एक वर्स आसतना आनी स्पेशली चडशे करून क्रिसमसाच्या काळान, जे काळान आमच्या गोंयान सगळेच लोक बिजी आसता, हांगा क्रिश्चनूच बिजी आसता न्हय, हिंदूय बिजी आसता, कित्याक हो आमचो टोटली फेस्टिवल मुडान आसता सगळे जाण. हो पिरियडान एक म्हयन्याचो सामको शॉर्ट विंडो दिवप of suggestion, but we don't understand what this government wants to do.
So you have fallen in your own trap. You committed something. The most crucial question that Sabina raised was you yourself opposed the plan. So तुम्ही oppose करतना ताजी किती तरी बेजीस आसतल्यो, तुमकां किती तरी त्या प्लॅना भितर चुकलं अशें दिसलं आसतलें, तुम्ही तातूंतल्यो चुको पळयल्या आसतल्यो, त्यो सुद्दां चुको सुदारपाचो तुम्ही 4 वर्स प्रयत्न केलो ना, आनी केला तो आतां भयानक टायमार केला, जंय तुम्ही सापडल्यात आनी लोकूय सापडल्यात. Fallen in your own trap. You agree with that?
To some extent, I do agree that this draft regional plan, which was drafted earlier and which was opposed by my government, we could have taken it to the public long before, so that we could work out what people exactly want and what kind of planning can be done, what kind of land use be formulated. I feel that it is too late, and it's my government should accept it also that we have come to the public little later. But nevertheless, आम्ही म्हणतात की we have a clear intentions of doing good to the people and taking views and opinions and suggestions and all that from the public and make a comprehensive study of it and give it to the expert. It is not that suggestions are thrown out or suggestions are accepted. That doesn't mean that as Sabina said that I want to build a bungalow at the Mandovi, but your suggestions are suggestions. It is not that government
they
has
are not
to
binding
consider,
on the government.
Yeah, so all those valid suggestions will be taken into consideration by the experts, not by the politicians. So we have a clear intention, we have a clean intention to give the best RP in the strategic planning of the state land use. We have a good intention to do it, and it is a little later, but we have to do it, and we have to do it before the election, so that people realize that we have no any hidden agenda after
no,
that. And
what you have done is जे कितें लोकांनी ओपोज केल्ले जे पयलींचे रिजनल प्लॅनान इको टुरिझम प्रोजेक्ट आसलो, मागीर इनक्रीज्ड FAR, ते सगळे तुमी ऑर्डिनन्सान हाडले आतां. सो कोणाक गोल्फ कोर्स घालपाक जाय थी तुमी लँड कन्वर्जन करून दिले, जे अकॉर्डिंग टू दी ऍक्ट करूं शकता.
no, which was not fitting into या प्लॅनान नाशिल्ले. I challenge you, you show me any area which was not in the settlement zone or not in that particular zoning pattern, and it is converted specially for that.
This land conversion of Tirakol has taken place after, that's why it has gone to court. You see, even now the 2A IT park is being IT thing. Yeah. Now we want development, but you cannot have development on like this ecocenter. At Chennai,
what do you want to say that?
No, what I'm saying is that
was it an agricultural land?
That
was
land
it
is an eco land which was not shown in 2001.
It is a barren land. It is a desert, and it is a rocky area. If you go and find out, it is a rocky area where you cannot cut land. You will not find a single tree. I have moved on that. Don't blindly say that it is a agricultural land. You don't find a single tree.
People are objecting to it.
People may be objecting.
What is the point? You are saying that
they had a stone quarry on that. People are objecting to that.
No, what are you saying? You have an issue with the zoning of the land, or you have an issue that it was not a settlement before.
It was not a settlement before.
Yeah.
And see, the thing is, people want. I'm not saying people don't want industry or whatever. There is a in the regional plan, the area is marked. In Chennai, what happened? This whole IT park came on this where two rivers are meeting on that. You build a whole city, and today when the flash floods come and climate change come, gone. What has happened to Chennai? So that is what we are saying. When you are planning, it has to have some scientific principles. की इको सेन्सिटिव्ह झोन्स जे आसा ते इको सेन्सिटिव्ह झोन्स सांबाळून दवरपाक जाय. आमचे मँग्रोव्स आसा ते सांबाळून दवरपाक जाय, ना मांडोवीचे उदक
No, what are you saying? You are saying that this government is not clear on the guidelines on the basis of which the plan needs to be prepared.
सारखे, yes.
That is what you are saying.
गायडलायन्स सारखे ना, आणि गायडलायन्स आसा जाल्यार सुद्दां तेजे वायलेशन चड जाता. वता थी वायलेशन, आता लोक उठून कित्याक येता, कित्याक थी वायलेशन जाता, आणि जे सरकारान करपाक जाय आशिल्ले ते कोर्टांतल्यान ऑर्डर हाडटा. सो तुमी लोकांक कोर्टान मेरेन धाडटा, म्हणजे टाइम खर्चो, पैसो खर्चो, आणि प्लॅनिंगूच जायना. सो फॉर दिस होल 4 years फक्त हेच चल्ला.
Okay. So when you look at this plan, what is Congress's expectation now from the government? आता ओपन केला प्लॅन, तुमचोच प्लॅन. What is your opinion? What is your suggestion to the government?
हांवें म्हणजे ओपनिंग जेन्ना आमी डिस्कस केलें स्टार्टिंगूच डिबेटीचें, हांवें पयलीं सांगलें मार्च 2012 जेन्ना राज्यपालाचें अभिभाशण आसता, गव्हर्नरान जेन्ना स्पीच दिली की माय गव्हर्नमेंट वील डिनोटिफाय दीस रिजनल प्लॅन 221 and formulate a new plan by taking into confidence the stakeholders. His speech was voted by the legislators. तुम्ही वोट केला ते स्पीच, कित्याक you were being a MLA in the house, we have voted. Significance of that speech which has been voted by the legislators of the house is much more higher than a cabinet decision. सो तुमची स्वताची स्पीच तुमचे गव्हर्नमेंट जेन्ना म्हणटा आमी डिनोटिफाय करतले, हे करतले, आणि आज तुम्ही एक्झॅक्टली ताची ऑपोजीट भूमिका घेतल्या. हातूंच्यान म्हाका दिसता काँग्रेस पक्षान आपली भूमिका क्लियर करपाचे परस तुमची भूमिका चड क्लियर जाता.
You want this government to denotify your plan.
I am coming to that. पहिली तुमची भूमिका क्लियर जाता की तुम्ही जी पहिली म्हणल्यार राज्यपालाच्या अभिभाशणाचो इन्सल्ट केला, डेमोक्रेसी पांयापोना घाल्या, कित्याक हे लेजिस्लेटिव्ह असेंब्लीन जाल्ले. दुसरें म्हणल्यार प्रत्येक तुमचो जर स्टेप पळयत जे डिरेक्शनान घेता, तुम्ही गोंय लँड माफियाक आनी कॉर्पोरेट्सांचे तोंडान घालपाक विकपाक सुटल्या. गोंय म्हणटा ते फुडल्या जनरेशनाक आमकां तशी फुडली येता ती जनरेशनाक सांबाळून दवरपाचो तुमचो खंयच प्रयत्न ना. काँग्रेस इतलेंच म्हणटा की तुम्ही जे मुद्द्याचेर लोकांक आश्वासनां जी दिवन जे मुद्द्याचेर तुम्ही सत्तेन आयिल्ले ते मुद्दे तुम्ही पाळात.
But you are okay. No, but you are okay with BJP denotifying your plan.
I am saying we have said yes.
See, the thing, can I say
yes,
something?
yes.
Now, when you're making a plan, when the Congress made the plan, the demands of the people were that the plan should be made as per the 73rd and 74th.
Absolutely.
So people's participation should be there.
Yes.
So that has to be there in the law. So the TCP Act should have been modified. All this procedure of making a plan should have been there. The second thing that we were saying is that there was incomplete data, like whether it was forest area
Correct.
or something natural cover. Right. That data should have been there. And so when you make plans which are based on incomplete data, or the law is not there, then all this confusion happens. Now this correction course should have been done. Now once you do that, then you make your plan. So the question of notification is what? This old plan, the new plan replaces the old plan. So it's a procedure. Like when the draft regional plan came into being, they said this is the notified plan. Now the 2021 is still the notified plan. Yes. The government may have just issued a circular saying we are not using it, but legally it is still the notified plan. So if you have your plan ready, it's just a question of now this plan is going to apply. But this whole exercise which should have happened has not happened. So for 10 years, आणि एकूच सांगता की आम्ही गो बचाव अभियान इतून आम्ही जेन्ना स्टार्ट केल्ले, या वर्साक आम्ही 10व्या वर्सांनी आम्ही पावल दवरता. सो 10 वर्सांनी तर आमकां एक प्लॅन मेळुना जाल्यार लुक एट वॉट द रोल द गव्हर्नमेंट्स हॅव बीन प्लेइंग. ते लोकांच्या नांवार सत्तेर येता पूण गोंयकारांक आमकां कांयच मेळना.
सो एक गजाल मान्य करतात, वेन इट कम्स टू लँड यूज देर इज कन्फ्युजन एट ऑल लेवल्स. म्हळ्यार तुमकां एक एकदां दिसता की आमी इतली सामकी लाख स्क्वेअर मिटर काडया आनी डिफेन्स एक्सपो खातीर दिवया, बट तुम्ही इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिटी काडटात आनी दुसऱ्या एक जमनीचेर व्हरून घालतात. जंय तुम्ही असली जाग्यांचेर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिटी हाडपाक शकतात. जमीन आसा सरकारा कडेन, एक्वायर्ड केली जमीन आसा, बट फॉर यू डिफेन्स एक्सपो बिकम्स प्रायोरिटी and you acquire more land for twin electronic city.
No, don't connect the defense expo with this.
No, I am saying just there is a when it comes to land use.
There is logical connection.
No, when it comes to land use,